Hello, everybody. Brian here at quantlabs.net. Let's get to what we're talking about. As you always know, we want to join us to get on our email list. I've embedded the overlay at quantlabs.net/contact to learn more. Okay, so let's talk about what we're seeing right now in the world of crypto, namely Bitcoin and the like. All right, so first things first, let's just take a look at where Bitcoin is at after Russia decides to invade. Okay, so on an hourly basis here, well, let's do probably daily might be better. So you can see here, even in Ethereum, we've had a bit of a rally here. This is between January 25th till probably the most recent peak here. It helps to always ensure my windows are proper. So January 25th, right here, and that price, let's say around 2250 up to 3100, let's say, and it's been declining since the invasion here. Daily basis here, there's a slight rally, like two little bars, not really going anywhere. Could be flattening out. Who knows? Let's look at Bitcoin here as well. You can see there's this little rally here from a drop of 35K to 39K. That's a good 10% in that little move right there. It's these little things that I worry about. We've had some 2-hour pullbacks. But will this rally continue? From what I'm seeing, usually there is sometimes downward pressure, and it's correlated around the stock market as well, so this does not help. This does not help at all. So again, quantlabs.net/contact to get more info. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you one other coin and another coin, but let's go over the headlines here of what we've been seeing in the markets here. So here's the headlines. Bitcoin price crashes nearly 10 that's 10% as Russia invades Ukraine. Crypto new media, Cointelegraph.com. Russia to seize retail deposits if sanctions go too far, official warns. So that means that the citizens will have their funds stolen. Can you imagine that? That's like a bail-in equivalent, because now the U.S. government has no ability to fund themselves. So that's about $700 billion that they can steal from their own citizens. This is Russia. Okay, so if that's the case, I don't know if the military will be long-term. It's not sustainable. Continuing along, we have press. Crypto adoption in Latin America continues to soar. Yeah, we've been seeing that with El Salvador leading the way. Mexico, we've had Brazil may look into it, Venezuela may jump in. Not a good sign, right? Okay, so popular analyst predicts Bitcoin to reach 28,000 in a few days. Well, looking at this chart, you may think otherwise. You can see this big volume here that says otherwise. We'll do a forecast to see where things are at in a minute. Other things, Bitcoin price analysis. So Bitcoin price analyst tests 35,000 as selling continues. Retracement incoming. Well, we've kind of broke through that. The current price at 38,500. So again, it's all really, as a professional say, it's a fluid situation. Moving along here, we've got Bitcoin broke pivot level, how low BTC price may plunge amid probable World War III between Russia and Ukraine. Okay, so again, these are from KryptonNewMedia.com, Coinpedia.org. That last one, World War III. That's how serious they're taking it. And look at this, CNBC. Russia invades Ukraine. Gold jumps to the highest in more than a year. Let me surprise you with something here. Okay? Now there's this coin called PAXG. Look at what it's doing. Went from 1,800. That's the price of gold in crypto. Peaked all the way up to 2,100, and that looks like it's going to continue to move up. You can see there these big rallies. So don't say I gave you a wunderbar present. Okay. Again, if you like what you're seeing, you want to learn more of these kind of tips, go to quantlabs.net/contact. It doesn't get better than that, all right? So let's take a look at another coin that we hear a lot of chatter on, and that's Cardano. Look at this, Cardano. It's the same pattern as all the rest, stabilizing here. Cardano's been one big disappointment. It's not recovered from nothing. Why is that? Who knows? Anyways, let's look at one of the more powerful things that Bitcoin can offer you. Okay? Here is the world of, let me just set this up for using something called Hurst Cycles. This is only available that I've seen on MotoWave. And this should blow your mind, I hope. Okay, just getting it all set up right there. Boom, booyah. What am I talking about? Right here. Okay, so check this out. These are the cycles, daily cycles of Bitcoin. Okay, Hurst Cycles. So right here, we predicted this. We saw this coming. The price has a reversal. This will move up. That's why in December I was predicting a downfall, and it did happen. Okay, so now here we are, and things are way off. In here, there's a lot of things breaking down here, but if you look at right here, three diamonds, and then the blue cycles, they're somewhat, it's hard to say if they're accurate or not, but at the end of the day, I think there will be a reversal, which there might be right here, right there, and this may continue to move up until the next peak of April, and then settle back down in, let's say May 10th to somewhere in the second week of May. So that's the forecast. Now, I'm not saying it's 100%, but it depends upon the outcome here, okay? This is the outcome. What we have to realize is that here in April, that right here, that in April, that this might be right here, a reversal, kind of where it's at now. It may start to move up, maybe, just maybe, as digital gold may kick in, but the rally won't be that big. Okay, it might not be that big. It won't be a monster rally like what we had last summer, fall, right here, where it goes from like 42 to 67,000. May not happen, but it'd be a little rally. And then drop back. But I do think we will have very few big rallies. I think one of the exchanges, the CEO said it'll be a major, like couple of, at least a year. 2024 is the next major rally for Bitcoin. Now let's look at Ethereum. It's pretty well, you can see here, this little cycle here, it's kind of accurate. Three diamonds here on this reversal back in January 25th, and then we had a peak right here, and just somewhere around here, if I could see a few of the diamonds, these are really hard to predict, but there may be another little rally, a small one for Ethereum. I'm not sure if Bitcoin will continue to be the so-called digital crypto, but this PAXG has definitely showed itself right there. That PAXG daily basis. I didn't even know about this coin, to be honest, but there it is. My bot picked that up. So there you go. Some of the insights going on, plus a bonus. So if you like what you're seeing, get on the quantlabs.net/contact. Okay, get on that email, because we're pushing this email business, and then you'll follow up how to get on the Telegram. Okay, Telegram is something I use a lot now because I don't have to worry about being censored so much as we do on the big social media and overlords. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. Bye.